So now let's see how we can manage macros inside of Google Sheets. So in order to manage out the macros, first of all, you need to go around into Tools and then you can go to Macros right here. So once you go to Macros, you can see Manage Macros is an option. And once you click on it, you can see all the macros that are there. So you can see that there's the Format Change macro and other two macros right here. So if I want to delete these two macros, then I can click here, I can remove it, I can click here and remove it. And let's say for this one, I want to edit the script. So I'm just going to go to Edit. And then what happens is that it opens up the new window. And if you know how, you can manually edit the script over here as well. So for example, it says, first of all, the bold is applied, then it's italics, bold and italics right here, just like this. So you can go around and then apply this out if you want to as well. And then you can save it out. I'm just going to close this. And let's say I want to, let's say, change the shortcut key for this to Control Alt Shift and 2. And I'm just going to click on Update. So once I do that, I can go around. And now if I were to press Control Alt Shift and 2, what happens is that the script is run. And that is how you can manage macros inside of Google Sheets. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.